Thank you for joining me on the Video Recon channel. Today I'm going to take you on a scenic drive through Santaquin Canyon. It's a beautiful canyon just south of Payson, Utah, right off the I-15, and it runs between the I-15 freeway and the Nebo Loop Road. Although we can't go all the way up to Nebo Loop, you have to go around because the middle of the canyon is closed due to avalanches and mudslides. And I've lived here for 18 years almost, and I've always wanted to drive the whole thing. And so hopefully this private-public partnership that they have to finish repairing the canyon road happens in the next year or two, and you can drive all the way through the canyon in the summertime. But this little lower stretch I was able to drive and walk in the fall with the beautiful fall colors. And this year was especially amazing with all the oranges and reds because of all the moisture we had last winter. The colors were very vibrant, and so I know you've been having the winter blues. This is a great escape to check out beautiful scenery. Look at those colors. Right down past those trees is the creek, very scenic creek. And then once you come out from the tree canopy, you can really see the colors popping on those canyon walls. And I am willing to bet that you'd agree that this canyon is just as stunningly beautiful as Provo Canyon or as American Fork Canyon. So if you have a comment on that, please leave it in the video. So beautiful. Great place for cycling, obviously, because there's not a lot of traffic, and this part of the canyon road is actually pretty flat, so for beginner bikers, probably a good time while the road is closed. And just so you know, while we round out this little lower section where you can drive, and you get here by going I-15 south past Payson, and you're going to turn left on Santaquin Main Street, and then right on Highland Drive. Follow the road south for about a mile, and then you're going to make a left onto the canyon road, and you're going to start to see all of this beautiful landscape. And just look at that. There's some really cool rock formations here. And now we're in the National Forest officially. Just saw the boundary marker there. And we're just about at the end of the road. Look at the sun behind the clouds. And this is where the road closes, and I'm telling you, the best colored trees are up ahead. And here's where I stashed my car, and we're going to continue on foot past the first closure. The first closure is just to motorized vehicles. I believe you can take bikes. On any of this stuff I recommend, just check in with the National Forest Service, either via phone or on their website with the Spanish Fork Ranger District. They'll tell you all the things that you can and can't do in this area during this construction phase. But look at the beauty of this canyon. These trees at that time of year, or any time of year, the creek, gorgeous. And look at those rock formations. You can see the damage on the road there. And this is Trumboldt Park. Look at these picnic tables and the beautiful view right over the creek. It's gorgeous. There's a few really pretty bridges. If you want a complete walkthrough of the park, I actually have another video planned, so keep your eye out for that. What an amazing place just to take your family, if you don't mind a little walking, and do a picnic. And I'll tell you now, just past the park, there's another closure. That one says do not enter, whether you're on foot or on a vehicle. There's a lot of road damage and it's dangerous. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Come back for more, hit that button and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.